United Kingdom has reportedly handed over a new batch of Martlet multi-purpose guided missiles, as per unofficial sources cited by The Times on Monday, December 4, 2023. The transfer of these advanced weapons by the UK marks a significant step in the ongoing conflict, offering enhanced countermeasures to the Ukrainian forces. The Times report sheds light on the potential impact of these missiles, which are specifically designed to target aerial threats. This capability is crucial for Ukraine in combating the frequent drone surveillance and attacks by Russian forces. The Martlet missiles, known for their accuracy and efficiency, have reportedly been in Ukraine's arsenal for some time now, with notable successes on the battlefield. According to the report, the Ukrainian military has already put these missiles to use with significant effect. In April 2022, a Russian Orlan drone was successfully shot down using a Martlet missile. This incident demonstrated the missile's effectiveness in real combat scenarios. Furthermore, in June 2022, the Ukrainian forces achieved a notable victory using the Martlet, shooting down a Ka-52 helicopter operated by Russian forces. While there has been no official statement from Britain regarding this latest transfer of weapons, the news indicates continued support from the UK for Ukraine. This assistance comes at a critical time when Ukraine is facing persistent aerial threats from Russian drones, which have been a key component of Russia's military strategy in the region. The Martlet missiles, thus, provide a significant boost to Ukraine's defensive capabilities, enhancing their ability to protect their airspace and counter Russian advances. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine has seen various nations step in to provide military aid, and Britain's contribution of Martlet missiles is a testament to the international support for Ukraine's sovereignty and defense. The Thales Martlet, also known as the Lightweight Multi-Role Missile (LMM), represents the newest wave in lightweight precision-guided missiles. This missile is tailored for swift response to various surface threats and can engage UAVs and helicopters in surface-to-air scenarios. Originally developed to fulfill the United Kingdom's need for a future air-to-surface guided weapon, Light, the UK Ministry of Defence placed an order for 1,000 of these missiles, with the first deliveries scheduled for 2013. However, the missile's initial operational deployment was postponed until 2021, and it is expected to reach full operational status by 2024. The Martlet LMM is noted for its aerodynamic design. It weighs 13 kilograms at launch, measures 1.3 meters in length, and has a diameter of 76 millimeters. Equipped with a dual-purpose 3 kilogram warhead, the missile utilizes a non-contact laser detonator when engaging aerial targets.